Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Tuesday. Today I'm teaching you guys a move called the Sunset Dip. It's a little bit of a different kind of swing dance move, but you can still implement it on your Wednesday nights. We'll go through it fast, and then we'll take it step by step. Alright, so first thing you do is grab your partner, and you're going to pull her in. So your hand is on her upper back, and then she's going to flip her or spin around. And your right hand will not leave her back the entire time. And while she's spinning around, the guy is going to go down so that he touches the ground. And you want to be able to touch the ground before she bends over. So when she bends over, she just has you right there instead of her waiting for you to spin around. So do a little, again, a little bit. Come up, spin around.